I love these little foamy planes with their built-in gyros. They're a great deal of fun and something that you can fly practically every day and not really have to think about it too much. I especially like them when they're paired with my little pocket radio with the 4-in-1 module there. I wouldn't be without them. One thing I'm not too keen on though is the propellers. Even though they do have this clip which is supposed to protect the prop in the event of a crash, it just literally pops off. However, as you can see, I've lost the tip on that one. One of them, this is all that remains of the hub in the middle there. As you see, they're very flexible, and although it has the prop saver on there, they get damaged quite easily. And then you have to replace them, and that can be quite expensive. These replacement props come in somewhere at least €2 to €3, and in some places, like Banggood, they're even nearly €7. A peculiarity of these propellers, you may just be able to see on there, is the size, 130 by 70 millimeters, and the hub in the middle is quite small. And with that smaller hub in the middle, finding a suitable replacement I thought was going to be difficult. When I was looking at these propellers, I had a weird flashback to the 1990s, when I used to fly Zaggies, and Multiplex were quite big on the scene with their twin star, and they used a different type of prop, and here it is. This is the Paul Gunther propeller, much loved in the Speed 400 days, as you can see here, and that indeed is an old Multiplex Speed 400. I thought I'd take a closer look at it, but you can see the hub is not too far away from the original propellers. And as the more astute of you will have noticed, the P40 is sporting the black one, and the T28 a matching red one. As you saw, they also come in white, and you can see here I bought 2 pieces of each colour, so it's a total of 6 propellers there, and with shipping that was €11.10, which I think is a bargain. Notwithstanding, these propellers are a lot more durable than the originals as well. Let's take a quick look at how they fit. As with changing the propellers, even for the original one, all we have to do is to remove the screw from the center of the hub, and that separates it. We can remove the supplied hub with the Günther prop, and I forgot to mention, you can't quite see it on here, but these are 125 by 110, so that's against the 130 by 70. For our purposes, the writing will be on the reverse side of the propeller. So you can see if I wheel in that one, it's going to be spinning that way around. And then of course just tighten the screw up again. And that's all there is to it. I guess the next question that you'll be asking is, well, do they fly as good as the originals? Let's take a look. So this is the first flight with the little P40 and the Paul Gunther prop. See how we get on. She's doing well. So the little Paul Gunther prop there, doing very well, I think. Half throttle that. Full throttle now. Yeah, so definitely the Günther prop works with the little P40. Whoops. And of course the prop saver still works, so all is good. Now then, the turn of the little T28 with the nice matching red Günther prop. Whoop. A little bit twitchy there. That's more a fault of mine than the plane. And we can see that's just half throttle there. And she rolls along very nicely. Using the Radio Master pocket transmitter with the 4-in-1, definitely a better option than the standard transmitter I was using with the P40. Ripping along there, getting a nice line there. Don't think the battery is particularly well charged, but we've proven the point there that with the Günther props, these little guys go really well. A bit better landing there and didn't need the prop saver. Excellent.